Hello everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at how to use the zero article in English. Let's dive in. How to use the zero article in English? In English, it is sometimes not necessary to put an article a, an, or the in front of certain names. In English, it is sometimes not necessary to put an article a, an, or the in front of certain names. Note, some English teachers use this symbol in their lesson to show when not to put an article. Note, some English teachers use this symbol in their lesson to show when not to put an article. Articles are not used in the following cases. Articles are not used in the following cases. Talk about generalities, general truths, or give your opinion. Talk about generalities, general truths, or give your opinion. You will notice that all names are in the plural. You will notice that all names are in the plural. I hate cakes. I hate cakes. We're talking about cakes in general. We're talking about cakes in general. I love music. I love music. I like chocolate. I like chocolate. Planes travel faster than cars. Planes travel faster than cars. Japanese is the language spoken in Japan. Japanese is the language spoken in Japan. I think history is boring. I think history is boring. Sharks are dangerous animals. Sharks are dangerous animals. Abstract names. Abstract names. Love is a good thing. Love is a good thing. War is terrible. War is terrible. Colors. Steel is very strong. Steel is very strong. Red is my favorite color. Red is my favorite color. Materials. This table is made of glass. This table is made of glass. This bridge is made of steel. This bridge is made of steel. Meals, food, and beverages. Meals, food, and beverages. I have coffee for breakfast. I have coffee for breakfast. In Spain, dinner is served at 10 p.m. In Spain, dinner is served at 10 p.m. The place, the direction. The place, the direction. To go to work. To go to work. I go to church every Sunday. I go to church every Sunday. To get home. To get home. To be in bed. To be in bed. To go into hospital. To go into hospital. From left to right. From left to right. Go to university. Go to university. Go to church. Go to church. We say to go to the toilet. We say to go to the toilet. Do not mistake. Do not mistake. She goes to school every day. The school as an institution in the general sense. She goes to school every day. The school as an institution in the general sense. She lives next to the school. She lives next to the school. A particular school. A particular school. Languages. Languages. I like English. I like English. She can speak Japanese. She can speak Japanese. Activities. He plays football. He plays football. I like tennis. I like tennis. Continents, countries, streets, mountains, and lakes, singular. Continents, countries, streets, mountains, and lakes, singular. Africa, Africa. I'm visiting Italy next month. I'm visiting Italy next month. Lake Michigan, Lake Michigan. Grafton Street, Grafton Street. Mount Everest, Mount Everest. We use the with some names of countries, rivers, islands, and seas. The USA, the UK, the Netherlands, the British Isles. We use the with some names of countries, rivers, islands, and seas. The USA, the UK, the Netherlands, the British Isles. Before the titles, function status. Before the titles, function status. Followed by the person's name. Followed by the person's name. Dr. Parker. Dr. Parker. Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth. Prince William. Prince William. King Louis XV. King Louis XV. President Sarkozy. President Sarkozy. Ex-president. Example, President Trump has visited a museum in Paris. Example, President Trump. President Trump has visited a museum in Paris. In front of the days, the months. In front of the days, the months. Sarah goes to the swimming pool on Tuesday. Sarah goes to the swimming pool on Tuesday. August is usually very hot. August is usually very hot. I love Fridays. I love Fridays. Time and weather. Time and weather. It's spring. It's spring. At night. At night. Next year, I'm going to Sri Lanka. Not the next year. Next year, I'm going to Sri Lanka. Not the next year. But we say in the evening. But we say in the evening. So there you go, guys. This video ends here about how to use the zero article in English. Thanks for watching.